It is simple network management protocol. It's an application layer protocol for monitoring and managing network devices. Okay, so like routers, servers, and printers, if you want to monitor, okay, you can get their data by using SNMP. Okay, so what are the uses of SNMP? Monitoring and managing network device. Okay, performance monitoring to monitor the performance of a printer or router. Okay, how much that temperature, no, is in that router, how hot it is, like that. Okay, you want to monitor, we can use this as an MP. Okay, operational continuity. So if any error occurs, okay, say for instance a printer might send a message by SNMP alerting the staff to issue that an issue has happened before someone tried to print it. Okay, UPS failure, that also reported by SNMP. Okay, device security, for security reasons also, to protect the device also we can use, like from cyber attacks we can use this one, SNMP. Okay, architecture is like this. As a manager, okay, using a PC, then we have SNMP agents, the router, server, and switches. Okay, and they have a database, MIB, management information based database. So the manager want to get some information from the router through get next. Okay, then they can get the data from the router's MIB. Okay, then set also, if you want to set the name, change the name of the router, or if you want to change the location of the router and all, we can do that. Trap, if anything happens in the router, okay, that alert messages. And here I configured interval and routing in this router. Okay, all the basic configuration, telnet console, all things are done in all routers. Okay, routers, then basic configuration in all switches. VLANs also created here. I configured VTP. Okay, this is my VTP server. VLANs will be automatically added when I create it here. Okay, and here. Now go to the PC. How do I access that SNMP? Okay, agent. So you already getting the IP address from the server 192.168.12.6. Okay, now go to the which one, desktop MIB browser. Here there is advanced option. Click advanced. What's the IP address of your router? So here my IP address is. How do I check the IP address? Show IP int br. So this 0.40, this 192.168.12.161 is my management IP of the router. So that is the one, the address you have to assign for the agent. Okay, so click this one, advanced. Advanced already open it. That's why it's open. 192.168.12. Sorry, 168.12.161. The port number for SNMP 161 and the password read community, 123, write also 123. You want to choose version 3. Okay, okay. Now, what are things you want to access? Okay, so the screenshots I put 1.1, you can change it as 12.161. Okay, that's thing you have to change. Okay, now SMMB MIB tree opens. Okay, now the MIB management information tree opens, right? This is the tree. From here, I want to display the iOS installed in SS, which one? Head office router. Okay, head office router. Okay, how do I access this? Go here, MIB, then router advertisement, ISO, ORG, then DOD, internet management, MIB2. Here, you want to find these variable: system description, system object ID, system uptime, system contact person, system name, system location. Okay, first thing what they need is iOS. It is in system description. So what should I do? Go here, system description. Now I choose the MIB, but I need to choose a function. Okay, I want to get we have three functions: get bulk and set. So get bulk I will choose. Okay, there's the OID. Okay, object ID. Now get bulk, if I choose and click go button, it will show you the iOS version, Cisco iOS version 2800 software. This is the iOS details. Okay, this one is in type, data type is octet string. Okay, so iOS version you have accessed. Okay, then Next one is what I they need display the time since the device is on. Okay, so how long the router is on? Go here, you can find system uptime. Okay, when I click the system uptime, again go, you can see 1 hour 56 minutes 18 seconds. I have opened this router. Okay, time ticks. Then what else I need? System name of router. Okay, what is the name of the router? So let me check here. Uh, System name. Again, I click system name. Then go. I could see Sohar Oil because my router name. See, when I go here, my router host name. I given Sohar Oil. That's why it is coming. Sohar Oil is a system name. Okay. Then what else I need? Um, Change the name of managed device SHCT router to head office router. Okay, I want to change that name of the device. Okay, so what I will do, I'll go here now. Before that, okay, if you want to set, okay, change. Okay, so changing means I am going to set something. So set, okay, the community octet string. Then I'll put the name. Say, what we say, musket. Okay, I'll put musket here. See what's that step? Same thing. See, click the OID name. Then this it is string. No, type it data type is string. I choose string. Then set the name. Then click OK. Okay. So after that, I'll go here and where is that? Okay, this one. Okay, musket. Then OK. Now let's see. When I go here, get bulk. Let me see it change. Not change. Okay, set musket. Okay, now I change that one. Before that, you want to click go goals. Okay, go. Now, after clicking go, it has become musket. Okay. Now, system location. I want to see the system location. So get bulk. No location. So system is in which location? You have to set the location value. Okay. So go here to set all values. Set. Now, what I maybe I'll set the location as musket HCT. Okay. Click OK. Now, don't forget to click go. Done. Okay. System contact person. So who is a system contact person? Nobody. I want to set the contact person. Set. Say Rajesh. Okay. Okay. Don't forget to click go. See, contact person is set. Like that, you can set many things in the router. We can manage. Okay. All the things are done here. Now I want to display the number of interfaces enabled and disabled in this router. Okay. For that, what I did now, I went for interfaces. Okay. Interface table, interface entry. I'll go for interface admin status. Get bulk. How many interfaces up down it's showing. With the router, how many interfaces are up, how many are down, that they will show you. Okay. Then what else I have? Display the physical address of all interfaces in that router. So what should I do? Okay, I'll go back to the same. See, there is a physical address column. Any MAC address of each router interface. You can see the MAC address here. Okay, each interface name here for that interfaces. What is the MAC address mentioned here? Okay. Then what else we have? Change the root age of OID for root. Okay, this if you want, you can update the root ID for that root to 2960. Okay, and display the update. That also you can do. Then display the routing table of router. How do I display the routing table? I have to go to the next one, IP. So there is an option IP routing table. When I click this one, go, I can see the routing table. Okay. I want to say the RIP. Say I configured, before that I will tell you, okay, I configured RIP version 2. Okay. If you want to see details of RIP protocol, you can click here. If you want to click the details of OSPF configured network, you can click here. Okay. Then display the subnet mask of network. For that, you want to go to inside the same option IP routing table. You can see IP root entry, and you can see the which one root mask subnet mask. See, VLAN 10 192, then VLAN 20 22 24, like that. Okay. Then if you want to see the root age, So many things you can get. Okay, then you want to see the next hop address, all the things you can see, just go through. Okay, or check those things in your router. Okay, so metric yani how many hops you want to jump, that is because it is distance vector routing, no? Like I can check this. Okay, route index whatever coming, just text it. Okay, then we have RIP. Okay, so what about the RIP table? Okay, so RIP version, I configured RIP version 2. Okay, then what about the addresses, all the things we can check here. Okay, domain, just go through. Okay, get. Okay, like this, if you are configuring RIP, you can get the details. Okay, if you are configuring OSPF, you can go for and check RIP, which one, OSPF details. Okay, like that, many information you can get from the uh, router using OSPF. If you are, sorry, using it as an SNMP. Okay, if you are using OSPF, I didn't configure OSPF. Okay, you can check the OSPF link database, you can check the OSPF neighbor table like that. Okay, but I configured RIP, so I could see only RIP related data. That's what coming under SNMP protocol video. Hope you understand.